So boom, race start. Man, them leg of the rope. All of the goat, them dash down like say them late for prayer. But slippers take off like him have Holy Spirit. That when me notice her. A tall slim browning in a one flowers dress. I jump on a chair like she goat in a the race too. But me a check say, if a fate or if goat can sense romance, but slippers win by a tail, crowd the rope like a gun salute. And me make my ball move. Me walk through the crowd. Me walk straight to her and ask her this. If my goat can win your heart like how him win this race, can I get your name? She laugh sweet like sugarcane juice. Only if you can dance better than him. Say, hey, watch you now. So me dance, my foot bottom near tear off that night. 2 years later, me and the same browning get married under the same almond tree. And guess who delivered the ring? Slippers, dirty but dignified, in a one necktie with a little bell. Yeah, well, listen good. Moral of the story, life full of race. Some have pride, some have love. But sometimes, the best bet walk on 4 hoof and bring your wife.